Eric, welcome back to carburetorsandmore.com. Our phone number is 832-2214-007. Got your linkage, new body, got a crack right in here on the other one, and it was allowing it to leak air and stuff. And I plugged this, had a hole. We discussed it. I plugged that up, and you should be ready to go. This carburetor really runs good. Boy, does it ever run good. So here we go. We are currently without fuel. The dyno's turned off, and here we go. Now for the dyno. This is one of the better running carburetors I've ever seen. For this style of carburetor. Really a good runner. Alright, Eric. Thank you for sending your carburetor to us here at carburetorsandmore.com. Our phone number is 832-2214-007.